Just recently, I was watching one of my first loss to scaling videos and noticed that the recording was, well, this. So that made me think, what exactly could I have done wrong in that video to cause the output video from OBS to look like this? Well, after some research and testing, I have found the best output settings for OBS, and in this video I will go over how to set them up and the cons of using these settings. So let's get into it. Now, before you guys ask, I do want to go over the other settings in OBS that you will need to pair with this video's fix. These settings are perfect for getting crystal clear video, but these settings are not the subject of this video. So if you want another video going over everything, let me know down in the comments. In the video tab, make sure that your base and output resolutions match, and to make your videos smoother, set your FPS values to 60 if your PC is strong enough. Lastly, in your output settings, make sure that you use your GPU's encoder. Now for this video, there are two different routes you can go with this. One route loses a noticeable amount of quality from the second route, but it doesn't use as much space on your drive. The second route has far higher quality than the first route, but it uses a lot more space, so choose wisely. Now for the first route, go to your output settings, recording, and set your rate control to VBR. CBR works too, but VBR seems to have a better time with fast-paced games. VBR dynamically adjusts the bitrate depending on how much is happening in your recording, which is great, but it still seems to have little issues as you can see on the screen. So set this to about 100,000. That might seem like a very high bitrate, but trust me, it is far better than what Google may give you. The higher the bitrate, the better the quality, but also the higher the file size. With that, set your preset to quality and your profile to anything. This is quite literally all you need to change to get better video quality, but if you need something even better and you don't really care much about file size, well, Route 2 is for you. Now for Route 2, you need to keep in mind that this will considerably increase your file size, and I mean by a lot. Both recordings were recorded for about 1 minute long, and the first route's video is about 700 megabytes in size, and the second route's video is a insane 1.6 gigabytes in size. So yeah, this may not be the best for your drive. Now go back to your output settings, recording, and set your rate control to QCP. QCP is way better because it stays at the same quality no matter what is going on in the video, unlike VBR and CBR. You should set the value of QCP at a start value of 10, and if the file size is too high for you, you can gradually increase it. The higher the QCP value, the worse the quality. If you can find the perfect QCP value for you, you can get perfect quality YouTube videos.